NumberNagar is an experiential learning space where kids get to learn three core subjects with us: English, Math, and Science. Here we teach children through a lot of activities. They get to play, have fun, but learn the subjects and compete very well in school and do academically very well in school. NumberNagar is not like any other tutorials in the sense here kids get to learn at their own pace. The sessions are very personalized. The very first session for a child is going to be creation of one's own learner's profile. We do a lot of assessments to understand the baseline of a child as to how much they know in that subject, how well they know, and to what extent they can perform at school. Depending on that, then the sessions are designed in such a way that the child can do very well back at school. I take English subject here, so I can only share my experience with respect to English as a subject. One of the students who is coming here started sessions at grade level 2. He was unable to even read a couple of words. He was in fact giving out sheets blank back at school, all of his tests, but over a period of 6 months time we were able to work with him, and today he is able to read very well, answer anything that is questioned in schools with respect to his English subject. Because he has learned to read English very well, now he is able to perform better in other subjects too. So that is the achievement that he has because of NumberNagar sessions. Click here to know more about NumberNagar.